cold wind feels familiar now. I nod at little things as they pass somehow. Once ablaze with fleeting worries and fire, now I see a calmer me rising higher. Alone feels easier than it did before. The noisy world I greet no more. I fear I'll never love again, then surrender and find myself lost in your memory tender. My heart stays where you used to be, lingering quietly in your memory. Did you take it, or did I let it stray, fading further and further away? My heart stays where you used to be, lingering quietly in your memory. Did you take it, or did I let it stray, fading further and further away? I've learned to set my selfish dreams aside. Numb to time's meaning, I let it slide. But what if love finds me once again? There's nothing left in me to give or sustain. My heart stays in its hollow space, waiting for you with an empty embrace. No thought of return, no will to strive, suspended in air where memories thrive. My heart still calls your name aloud, dragging the past from beneath the shroud, knowing I'll never bridge the time that divides, yet loving you still in my separate life and me. My heart proclaims I'm alive this way, though I know you'll never hear what I say. Living apart in a world unknown, still loving you, though I'm all alone. The cold wind feels familiar now. I nod at little things as they pass somehow. Once ablaze with fleeting worries and fire, now I see a calmer me rising higher. Alone feels easier than it did before. The noisy world I greet no more. I fear I'll never love again, then surrender and find myself lost in your memory tender. My heart stays where you used to be, lingering quietly in your memory. Did you take it, or fading further and further away. My heart stays where you used to be.